Начинаем церемонию открытия 31-й Международной Олимпиады школьников Туймада по математике, физике, химии и информатике имени народного учителя Советского Союза Михаила Андреевича Алексеева.
Туймада öğrenciler matematikaya, fizikaya, kimyaya, ve informatikaya olimpiyadaları bölüyle ahıllıydın, sağlıybıt.
Ladies and gentlemen, we begin the opening ceremony of the 31st International Tuymada Olympiad.
In 1994, at the initiative of the first president of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Mikhail Nikolaev, the International Tuimada Olympiad for school students was held for the first time. And since then, school students from different regions of the Russian Federation and countries near and far abroad had been annually taking part in the Olympiad. This year, 5 countries and 8 regions of the Russian Federation will take part in the Olympiad.
численностью бороться, а именно географией. Мы посмотрели, как ведущих азиатских стран, будь Сингапур, Корея, Китай, Япония, там как идет именно воспитание школьников, именно воспитание талантов, именно школьное образование как поставили. Вот тогда мы какую-то отдачу от проводимых мероприятий. Именно мы поставили задачи, когда организовали это, учиться уметь.
Participants and guests of the 31st International Tuimada Olympiad for school students are welcomed by the first Deputy Minister of Education and Science of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Alevtina Argunova. Alevtina Argunova is joining us today online. Alevtina Petrovna, вы нас слышите? Здравствуйте.
Добрый день, уважаемые участники, уважаемые эксперты нашей 31-й международной олимпиады школьников Туимада имени народного учителя Михаила Андреевича Алексеева. Разрешите вас всех приветствовать от имени Министерства образования и науки Республики Саха-Якутия, от имени министра образования и науки Нургуль Афанасьевны и от себя лично. Наша Олимпиада в 2022 году, ей было присвоено звание народного учителя. 31-я международная Олимпиада также собрала сегодня у нас и регионы Российской Федерации, команды из Республики Саха-Якутия и команды стран из дальнего и дальнего зарубежья. Мы очень рады, что вы поддерживаете нашу Олимпиаду по основным нашим предметам. Для Российской Федерации у нас важно такие направления, как технологический суверенитет, система российского образования. Здесь мы приоритетными ставим наши предметы общеобразовательные, как физика, математика, информатика, химия, которые как раз воплотила в себе наша международная олимпиада школьников. Мы приветствуем наших экспертов. Это наши ведущие ученые из ведущих университетов страны и также наш федеральный Северо-Восточный федеральный университет имени Максима Кировича Амосова. На сегодня у нас стоят очень большие амбициозные задачи по повышению качества образования, и как раз вот участники Олимпиады, наши учителя И вот наши друзья из разных вот субъектов Российской Федерации для нас составляют поддержку, как и методическую, так и профессиональную помощь в становлении новой системы качества образования на российском уровне. Сегодня мы приветствуем всех наших гостей, которые сегодня прибыли команды очно. Приветствуем наши команды, которые у нас участвуют в заочном формате. Мы считаем, что вот эти 5 дней для вас они будут очень насыщенные, увлекательные, различными мероприятиями. Мы предлагаем также для вас и культурную программу. И, как говорится, у нас все лето, все вот наши, скажем, традиционные культурные мероприятия для вас создадут впечатление нашей открытой, большой, многонациональной, большой нашей республики. И я еще раз вас всех приветствую и разрешите считать 31-ю международную олимпиаду школьников Туймада имени Михаила Андреевича Алексеева считать открытой.
Dear participants, dear experts, I greet you on behalf of Ministry of Education and Higher School of Sakha Republic, and I'm proud that here come a lot of delegations from Russian regions and also a lot of participants from other regions of Russian Federation and foreign countries are participating online, and I hope that your participation this Olympiad will be new step in the development of education in Sakha Republic. Our experts are very distinguished people, and they came from different universities, and especially I want to greet our Northeastern Federal University, and I hope that this 31st Olympiad Tuymada, named after honored teacher of Soviet Union Michael Alexeyev, will be new development of our education. And I tell you that the 31st Olympiad is open.
International Tuymada Olympiad, a welcome speech is given to the principal of the Sakha Junior Science Academy of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Dr. Vasily Pavlov. Please, Dr. Pavlov.
Hello. So I'd like to welcome all of you here to our 31st edition of the International Tuymada Olympiad, Mikhail Alexeyev International Tuymada Olympiad. So thank you very much for all of you to coming here. And also I would like to do a little roll call of the people who actually taking part or present here offline. First of all, I would like to thank the most important feature of our Olympiad, which is our highly esteemed judges. Please, welcome Anatoly Vlasov, our always distinguished gentleman from Dr. Vlasov has always been with us since the beginning of the inception of the Olympiad, and I would like to thanks also Alexander Golovanov, who is the very famous the teacher and also the coach for the Russian national team in maths, etc. And also Konstantin Koches, who is also from the same city, St. Petersburg. He's also a doctor. He's been with us for many, many years. So over the years, we have many different countries taking part in our very distinguished competition. And this year we have online international teams. Especially I would like to thank our friends from Romania. So we have 2 schools from Romania, which one school is actually headed by Professor Silvia Moraru, which is Lycée Theoretical Național, which is the most famous school in Romania. Thank you very much for taking part. Also we have online National Saint Salva College, also a very famous school in Bucharest. Also, I would like to welcome the participants online from Kazakhstan, which is the Darwin Center for the gifted children of Kazakhstan, which has been with us for many years, and we have the most biggest team always there and a very active participations, which is we very much happy that we always receiving them at our very with a long-standing cooperation with this center. And also we have a team from Jakarta, 2 teams from Jakarta. Symmetry is a very famous college, and Vardaya College is a private organization run by Suraya Vardaya. He's a very famous gentleman who's actually had his own company, his own college. And the Symmetry itself is also quite distinguished and with a very good and long history. And also we have the new people, which is the 2 schools from Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, Orchlon International School of Ulaanbaatar, and Bajet Engel School, which is also will be taking part online. And I would like to thank and greet the participants online from Moscow, from the Moscow province, which is Sergei Posad team. Greetings to you all. The team is headed by Dmitry Morozov. And then we have the team from the Novosibirsk, the school, special school, which is the center for the, okay, I'd like to greet them, at the University of Novosibirsk, which is headed by Maria Yuldasheva. And also we have a team from Mordovia, Republic of Mordovia. So greetings to you all. We have a team from Urals, from Yekaterinburg. Thank you, Irina Chelova, for being us our team. And we have 2 teams from Yakutia, number 1 national team and number 2, who are headed by Dmitry Tarsky and Yuliana Nikolaeva. Thank you. Also, the online participants, we have online participants from Russia, from Ekaterinburg, also from the SUNS, which is the university school, Moscow University School, thank you very much. Novosibirsk, also the university school, we have 3 teams there. From Dolgoprodny, which is the Fistech Lyceum, which is the Lyceum associated with a very famous university in Russia, the Fistech, run by Maxim Golubov. And we have a team from Penza. Thank you, Elena Kochmarova, who's actually heading this team. And also we have a team from Tatarstan, 2 teams in fact, from the same school, Lyceum number 131, headed by Kirill Sergeyev and Almira Mustafaeva. So thank you all of you for taking part online and offline. So wish you all the best and good speed to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yakimovich. Vassilievich, we ask you to stay on the stage for our awardings. So now, the badge for dedication to the Olympic movement is awarded to Pyotr Nagovitsyn, member of physics jury, teachers of the Republican Lyceum boarding school.
Daria Assentina, head of the management of the educational building Sakhar Junior Science Academy, of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia.
Galina Timofeeva, Senior Methodist of the Educational Department, Sakha Junior Science Academy of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia.
Archulan Fyodorov, Member of Informatics Jury, Order of the Maitone LLC. Attention to the screen, please.
Georgy Emelianov, Member of Chemistry Jury, PhD student of the Career Research Institute of Biological Science and Biotechnology.
Evgenia Andreeva, Head of the Organizational and Methodological Department, Sakha Junior Science Academy of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia.
Archulan, Georgy, and Evgenia is online. Please welcome them on Zoom on the screen.
Congratulations.
Dear guests, welcome to the stage Liliana Popova, student of the Higher School of Music of Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, mentor Galina Popova. Now please welcome German Kamrakov, improvisation on Homus Vargan. Okay, German is absent, I suppose so. Another music performance from Liliana Popova, Edward Grieg Trickle.
Today, we are happy to welcome again our friends and those who are just joining our friendly Olympic family. We begin our acquaintance with the teams participating in the 31st International Tuimada Olympiad for school students in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and informatics.
Greetings to Indonesian participants. Please welcome. Attention to the screen. Team of Indonesia, do you hear us? Please turn on your camera. Okay, next.
Warmest greetings to the team of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Team members of the Republic greet us from the screen.
We also have members of the Romanian team, which has been participating in our Olympiad from the inception of the Olympiad in 1994, and they are greeting us now.
We are very glad to see the Mongolia team.
Let's greet the participants of the Russian Federation with thunderous applause.
Say hi to Moscow team.
City of Dolgoprudny of the Moscow region.
City of Sergiev Posad of the Moscow region.
Novosibirsk, we have them here today.
Penza region.
Yekaterinburg, Sverdlovsk region.
City of Saransk, Republic of Mordovia.
Kazan, Republic of Tatarstan.
And now are the hosts of the Olympiad, a friendly team of school students from Belon, Poland, the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia.
The Olympic oath on behalf of the participant of the 31st International Olympiad is pronounced by the participants of the Tuimada International School Olympiad. We welcome to the stage Anton Semenov, First National Team of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Republican Boarding School.
Mikhail Kapranov, the Republic of Mordovia, Republican Lyceum.
Andrei Denisov, Specialized Educational Scientific Center of Novosibirsk.
31st Tuimada International Olympiad do solemnly swear that
we shall be true to formal and natural science till then.
We shall respect and embed long-standing traditions of the Tuimada Olympiad by experiencing, sustaining, and carrying the high hopes of Olympic spirit for all the ordeals and obstacles.
We shall stick to our principles and value honest. We shall demonstrate our knowledge and display our skills.
We shall deserve the glory of the Olympians. We shall never give up, always be ready to lend a helping hand and be able to celebrate victories with magnanimity and accept defeats with grace and pride.
We shall rekindle the Olympic flame by the fire of our hearts. We shall burn, but not to extinguish. We shall bring the sparks of fervor and creativity to our native lands and share them with our people. We swear, we swear, we swear.
Thank you guys, take your seats please.
The International Tuimada Olympiad had gained its fame and ignited the interest of school students from different countries, all thanks to interesting authors' tasks.
Today, on the opening day of the 31st International Tuimada Olympiad, we remember with deep respect and love those who had stood at the origins of the Olympiad, as well as the compilers, authors of Olympiad tasks, jury members of the very first Olympiad. The words of greeting from Dr. Sergei Volchenkov, the author of the tasks for the International Tuimada Olympiad since 1994. Please, attention to the screen, please.
Дорогие друзья, примерно 30 лет назад меня пригласили принять участие в одной из первых Олимпиад Туймада. Я еще не знал, что это такое, но с удовольствием согласился, чтобы посмотреть далекую Якутию. И приехав, абсолютно не пожалел, что приехал. Я увидел огромное количество энтузиастов, которые организовывали эту Олимпиаду. И прежде всего, первого президента Якутии Михаила Ефимовича Николаева, который выделил для проведения этой Олимпиады большие средства, и Олимпиада тогда началась. Очень большое количество людей подхватили идею и стали реализовывать вот эту реализовывать программу вхождения Якутии в международное поле образования. И сейчас Олимпиада представляет из себя совершенно другое, другое мероприятие. Если тогда у Олимпиады не было даже своего дома, и поэтому все размещались в так называемой школе музыки, это, конечно, интересное, хорошее место, но не свое. Своим местом стал Ленский край, где все последующие Олимпиады проводились. Ну, сейчас, конечно, дистанционно в основном проводятся, люди в самом Якутске находятся и работают. Но Олимпиада выросла настолько, ее авторитет настолько вырос, что когда говоришь, что ты туда ездил, там тебе завидуют не потому, что ты побывал в Якутии, а потому, что ты побывал на очень значимом мероприятии. Я желаю всем, кто приехал на эту Олимпиаду, успехов. Желаю школьникам выступить хорошо, победить задачи, которые им будут предложены, а руководителям просто посмотреть на то поле образовательное, которое создано на Дальнем Востоке. Ну, спасибо за внимание.
The oath on behalf of the jury will be taken by the members of the jury committee of the International Tuimada Olympiad for School Students. To the dais are invited Tit Pavlov, the PhD student at the Institute of the Mathematics and Informatics of the Northeastern Federal University, pedagogue of Sakha Junior Science Academy. Please welcome
Stepan Yefimov, student of the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology.
Artur Akoleshnikov, student of the Chemistry Faculty of the Moscow State University named after Mikhail Lomonosov.
Julistan Nikiforov, senior lecturer of the Department of Information Technologies of the Institute of Mathematics and Informatics of the Northeastern Federal University.
We, the jury of the 51st International Tuimada Olympiad, do solemnly swear that we will be honest. We swear.
We will be impartial. We swear.
We will be objective. We swear.
We will be fair. We swear. We swear. We swear. We swear.
Dear participants of the 31st International Tuimada Olympiad, please welcome to the stage Student Children's Art School number 2. Sayana Vinokurova with Russian folk, mentor Ekaterina Popova accompanies Anastasia Baisheva. Please. again, please welcome Tia, Sayana Vinokurova, Arina Kim, Nastya Zakharova, Russian folk song, mentor Ekaterina Popova.
Without the support of our partners, the International Tuimada Olympiad would not have been so interesting and popular. Today, we are opening the Olympiad. We address our partners with words of gratitude. It is worth nothing that the chief executive of these companies at one time were the participants of the same Olympiads as you or were members of the jury.
Now, the words of greeting will be delivered by the Vice Principal of the Maxim Amosov Northeastern Federal University, Dr. Alexey Golikov. Please, Alexey Golikov.
Всем доброго дня. Вот уже на протяжении 30 лет Международная Олимпиада школьников Туймада является визитной карточкой системы образования Республики Саха-Якутия.
Good day, everyone. For 30 years, International Olympiad Tuimada is a landmark of Sakha Republic, Yakutia.
Северо-Восточный федеральный университет имени Максима Кировича Амосова является одним из организаторов этой международной олимпиады. И сегодня ведущие научные сотрудники и преподаватели университета участвуют в организации проведения данной олимпиады.
Northeastern Federal University is one of the organizers of this International Olympiad. And therefore, a lot of teachers and professors of our university are participating in the organization of this Olympiad.
От имени Северо-Восточного федерального университета имени Максима Кировича Амосова я поздравляю всех участников, гостей, организаторов с открытием 31-й Международной Олимпиады школьников Туймада имени Михаила Андреевича Алексеева.
On behalf of the Northeastern Federal University, I congratulate all the participants and all the experts and teachers with the opening of 31st International Olympiad Tuimada named after Mikhail Alexeyev.
Я уверен, что каждый участник достойно представит свою страну, свой регион, свою школу и покажет и докажет свой высокий интеллектуальный потенциал и веру в победу.
I hope that all participants will have good chance to mark their school, their region and their country at this Olympiad and will have good results in this Olympiad.
Всем желаю успехов, вдохновения и пусть победит сильнейший.
I wish you all success and I hope that the winner will be the strongest one.
Now the floor for greeting for participants and guests of the Olympiad is given to the General Director of the Future Generation Foundation of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Vladimir Yegorov. Владимир. Господин Егоров, пожалуйста.
Слышно меня?
Да.
Dear participants, I'm glad to welcome you, the smartest guys, to our wonderful event. I was a member of the mathematics jury for about 15 years, and then the organizer, and now a partner of the Olympiad. And I am also glad to welcome members of the jury, organizers and teachers. Dear participants, the ability to solve complex problems is one of the most important skills of the 21st century. I wish you to show these skills at our Olympiad. And I hope that solving the problems of the Olympiad will give you great pleasure, and participation in this event will remain a pleasant memory for a lifetime. Good luck!
Thank you very much. We are very glad to see you. So, dear participants and guests of the Olympiad, the members of the national team of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia welcome you.
Добрый день, уважаемые участники, гости и организаторы Международной Олимпиады школьников Туймада.
The Republic of Sakha-Yakutia team welcomes the participants in the International School Children's Olympiad Tuymada.
Наренерги болохтон народтар иккердерлагы Туймада Олимпиадын кыттачыларыгар.
Сборную республики представляют школьники из Абыйского, Горного и Черемчинского районов, а также города Якутска и подведомственных школ Министерства образования и науки Республики Саха-Якутия.
Якутия моя – просторный край России, и распростерся он могучий и широкий.
Зеленой тайгой и морем темно-синим, далеко-далеко на северо-востоке.
In our native rich land, we pave right away with our will held tight. We seize the day.
We'll force the part forward with a coalition might.
Тапталар сахабыдын.
With the light of right.
Тапталар сахабыдын дудун. Тапталар сахабыдын дудун чечеде чөлüyü тургурдун.
Doğurdu eylak naroda, üyetten üyağa turgur.
Искренне желаю всем участникам Олимпиады плодотворной работы, успехов, реализации задуманных планов и дальнейших побед. Уруль! Уруль! Уруль!
Otayın öngörük kuyaha satılan tarafıgar. Üges bulbut ev bili tahaman turgutar duymada görəkbet etenge ahlaktın.
May our motherland Yakutia be remembered for its natural wonders and the excitement during the Olympiad.
We hope that in the heart of Siberia, on the banks of mighty Lena River, in the valley of Tuymada, great friendship and future collaboration will start.
Dear guests and participants of the Olympiad, we invite you all to the group photo.
Please come to the stage.
Всех зовем на общее фотографирование.
Раз, два, три. Давайте еще раз. На 4.
Раз, два, три.